guys, Mike here with DentmatePro.com, your simple solution for invoicing and estimating. Really quick, we're going to do a video on how to create a dent matrix, how to estimate your large dents, and how to make your very own custom matrix, and how to use it. So let's get right into it. I'm going to screen share. I'm going to show you the app here. So what you want to do, guys, when you want to create a custom matrix within the app, you want to go down to settings down here. So click settings. And then you want to go to Dent Matrix. So click Dent Matrix. So basically, this is a default account that I've got. As you can see, our 1-inch dent here is $120. So we're going to raise that price. We're going to make it, let's say a 1-inch dent. We're going to make it at $150. Let's just for say, and it could be anything you want it to make. So we're going to make that $150. And then we're going to go down to the second one for a 2-inch dent. We'll make that one $200, and so forth. And you guys get the point here. And then we'll go down and make $250. And then you can just continue on down until you create your matrix to each inch. So that's done. And then you can go to your dent add-ons, which is down here, right here, and you can create your add-ons too. So you can do your percentages as the default. So like you can do your aluminum panel at 50%, which I think we'll leave that one there. Like your behind the brace, let's just click that. You can make that 30% or so forth. So you guys get the point there. And you also do your medium and your depth, your medium, deep, and your shallow up there as well. You can change that. So we'll change the medium to 20%. We'll do the deep to 35%. Just for playing around here. So now we have our matrix created. So what we want to do is we want to go up here in the settings. We're going to go to rates up here where you see like a little dollar bill. You want to click rates. And you want to go to the dent matrix up here. Underneath it says Hail Matrix. Go to the dent matrix right there. Click that. And you want to hit custom matrix up there at the top. And now that implies your custom matrix. And now every time you go to create an estimate, when you go into the app, you now will have, I'm just going to click that fender. I'm just clicking some buttons to show you. Now it's at 150, as you can see. So, and that's how you create a custom matrix for your business. So, all right, guys, that's all I wanted to show you today. And thanks again for using DentmatePro.com. We appreciate it. So you guys want to sign up for a 30-day free trial, just, again, go to DentmatePro.com and sign up for that. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching this video, and let's make more money.